Hello parents, today we will know 10 phrases parents should avoid speaking before kids. So let's start. First one is the words parents use shape a child's confidence and mindset. Certain phrases can unintentionally harm self-esteem or emotional growth. Avoid these common mistakes to foster a positive, supportive and nurturing environment. Second one is, you are so lazy. Instead, encourage effort by saying, let's try to be more active and productive together. This fosters motivation rather than disencouragement. Next, stop crying. It is not a big deal. Validate their emotions by saying, I see you are upset. Want to talk more about it? This helps build emotional intelligence and trust. Next, you always mess things up. Shift to constructive feedback. Mistakes happen. Let's figure out how to improve next time. This encourages problem solving and growth. Next is, hurry up. You are so slow. Exhort a feeling of responsibility with, let's try to move faster together. This makes work feel like a partnership, not stressful. Next, you are driving me crazy. Substitute frustration with, I need a moment to calm down. Let's work through these together. This demonstrates emotional regulation and patience. Next, you are driving me crazy. Substitute frustration with, I need a moment to calm down. Let's work through this together. This demonstrates emotional regulation and patience. Next, because I said so. Foster understanding by saying, here's why this is important. This encourages reasoning and strengthens communication between parent and child. You are too sensitive. Support emotional health by responding, it's not alright to feel this way. Let's discuss it. This helps children speak without fear. I am so disappointed in you. Express concern positively. I expected differently. But let's work together to fix this. This maintains self-esteem while addressing behavior. Thank you for watching my video.